Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video series, we are learning R programming from the very basic to advanced level. In our previous videos, we have learned the basics and about how to handle matrices in R. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about the data frames in R programming. Let's first understand what is a data frame. A data frame is a two-dimensional table-like structure in which rows represents observations and columns represent variables. Each column can have a different data types: numeric, character, factor, etc. Now let's understand why we use data frames in R. Data frames are the primary way to store and manipulate data in R. They are widely used for data analysis, data cleaning, integration with various machine learning tool and visualization. Now let's understand the data frame in R programming. Let's move towards our R studio. Let's first create vectors here. We have given names to a vector which contains the elements or names Alice, Bob, Charlie and David. Another vector by the name of ages contains the age of the given persons. Another vector contains salaries and whether the person is manager or not. It is a Boolean vector here. Now let's create a data frame here with the help of these vectors. Let's combine all these vectors and create a data frame. Let's give the name of this data frame as employees. We have to write data.frame here. Now we have to give the names to each vector. Let us say the vector which contain names, we can give name equals names. After that we have ages, so age equal ages. After that we have salary, so salary equals salaries. And after that whether the person is a manager or not, then manager equals is underscore manager. Before using control plus enter here, we have to use control plus enter after entering each vector here. That means after names we have to control plus enter so that it will be visible in our global environment. Similarly after ages, similarly after salaries, and after is underscore manager. Now we have to use control plus enter after employees here so that it will create a data frame. Now a data frame by the name of employees is already been created and you can see in the global environment here. It is saying that in the data frame employees we have 4 observations and 4 variables here. Let's print this employees here. Employees, press control. Now in the console panel we can see that we have a data frame which contains column name like name, age and salary, manager, and the row names as the name of the employees which contains Alice, Bob, Charlie and David. In the manager column you can see the Boolean expressions which is true, false, true and false. That means whether the person is a manager or not. So in this manner we have created a data frame here by the name of employees. Now we can also check the structure of the data frame by using str function here. Let's check the structure. Str of what? Str of employees. Let's use control plus enter here. See, the data frame is having 4 observations of 4 variables which contains name, age, salary and manager, and the name column is basically a character column and age column is a numeric column. Similarly salary is a numeric and manager is a logical vector here. So it is going to give us the structure of any data frame. So it is also a very important function here. Similarly by using the summary function we can easily summarize the given data frame. Let's see what will be the result here. In summary, it is stating that the length is the name. That means the length is of 4 character. class character, mode character. Similarly, age, it is giving us the complete detail of the summary of the employees here. Same way about the salary and about the manager here. It is giving us the complete detail. That means the minimum salary 50,000 first quartile, this is the first quartile, then it is going to give us the median, then mean, then third quartile, and maximum 80,000 here. That means the minimum value and the maximum value it is giving. Similar case about the ages. So it is a very important function when we are going to analyze our data in future. We can also access any rows and column by using simply print, then the name of the data frame, employees here, then you have to use the dollar symbol here, then it is showing us or giving us the suggestion which column you would like to access. Let's try it for name. Now press Ctrl Enter here. Now you can easily see in the console panel that it is showing the name of all the persons which contain in the name column, that is Alice, Bob, Charlie and David. Similarly, we can access any other column by using the data frame name. After that you have to use a dollar symbol, then write the name of that particular column. We can also access specific row by using print, then write the name of the data frame. After that use the square bracket. Now in this square bracket, if I put a comma here, then the left side of, that means this area, will be for the row access, then this side will be the access for column. That means you have to enter the row name which you would like to access, and after comma you have to give the column name. So let's say we have to access the first row here, write 1 here. After that use Ctrl Enter here. You can see that you are accessing the first row here, which contains the name of the person Alice, his age, salary, and whether it is a manager or not. Now let's understand how we can add a new column in our data frame. Let's say we need to add a column named bonus. Now for that we have to write the data frame name, employees, put dollar sign. Let us say we have to write the column name as bonus, then give the assignment operator. After that write the data frame name. After that we need that the bonus will be 10% of the salary. So let's write down salary here first, then use star, then give 0.1, then use press Ctrl Enter here. Now let's print the employees data frame now. Let's see what will the result here. Now we can easily see that we have added another column by the name of bonus in our data frame. You can easily see that 0.1, that is the 10% of the salary, it is giving the output in the bonus here. That means 50,000, 10% of 15,000 is 50,000 is 5,000. Similarly 60,000, 10% of 60,000 is 6,000, and 10% of 70,000 is 7,000 here. So in this manner we can easily add a new column in our data frame. We can also modify any existing column. Let's understand how we can modify any given column in our data frame. Let's say we have to update the salary column by 10% increase here. So what we have to do here, you have to write the data frame name, that is our employees, then after that use dollar, then we have to target our salary column here. Now use the assignment operator here. Now we have to increase or modify our salary by increasing 10% in it. Now let's write the employees dollar salary here with star 1.1 here. That means we are increasing it by 10% here. Let's use Ctrl plus Enter here. Now let's print again our data frame, that is employees here. Now use Ctrl plus Enter here. We can see that in our previous data frame we were having the salary of the Alice by 50,000. Now we are having the salary 55,000. That means it has already been increased by 10% here. Similar way, 6,000 has been increased to 66,000 here. So we can say that we can easily modify our given data frame, or we can easily modify any column in our data frame with the help of these commands. We can also remove any column in our data frame. Let's understand how we can remove any column in the data frame. Let us say we have to remove the additional column which is of bonus. Let's understand how we can remove that. Let's type our data frame name, then target will be our given column name. That means we are targeting the bonus column. Assignment operator here. Now write null here. That means we are removing that in the given data frame. Now use Ctrl plus Enter here. Now let's print again our data frame. See, we have successfully removed the bonus column here. In this manner, we can easily remove any column from the data frame. Now let's move forward and understand how to filter a data frame. Let's filter by a single condition here. Filter by single condition. Let's say we have to filter the manager column, whether the person is a manager or not. Let's write out. Let's say we are giving the name as manager. Then write the data frame name. After that, use square bracket here. After that, give the name of the data frame, use $sign. Then target the column name, that is manager. Now we have to give a logical check here. That means we have to give the condition here equal true here. After that, put a comma. That means we are targeting the manager column here and asking whether the person is a manager or not, whether it is true or not. After that, use Ctrl Enter here. Now print manager. See, we are getting the two results here. That means Alice and Charlie are the only manager in the given data frame. Now let's understand how to use filter by using multiple conditions here. Filter by using multiple conditions. Now let's say we are targeting the age and salary column here. That means we are targeting whether the person age is greater than 30 or not. That means it is going to show us all those employees whose age is more than 30 and whether the person's salary is more than 60,000 or not. So let's try it out by using two filter conditions here. Let's give a name like filter. After that, write the name of the data frame. After that, we have to give employees dollar. We are targeting age first. So age we are targeting and the age should be greater than 30. After that, use the symbol and for the next condition here. Now again write employees dollar. Now we are targeting the salary column, right? Salary here. Salary should be greater than 60,000 here. Put a comma here. Now what we have done, basically we have targeted the age column and we are asking give us the detail of all those employees who are having age greater than 30 and all the employees whose salary is greater than 60,000. Now use Ctrl plus Enter here. Now we have to print the filter here, filter. Let's see what will be the result here. We can see that Charlie, whose age is 35, that means age is more than 30 and salary is also more than 60,000. Next one is David, whose age is more than 30, which is 40 years and salary is more than 60,000. In this manner, we can use multiple filter conditions here. Now let's move further and discuss how we can sort our data frame. Let's say we have to sort our data frame by age here. For that, let's give the name sort by age here. Then give the data frame name. After that, use the square bracket again. Now we have to use order here. Order, then use small bracket here. Now write the data frame name again and opt the given column name which we are targeting here. Which we are targeting? We are targeting age here. Now use age here. Now put a comma at the end. This means it is going to sort the employee's name by their age here. Now use Ctrl plus Enter here. Now print sort by age here. See, it has sorted the employees by their age. That means first is the least age and the last is the maximum age of the person, or we can say maximum age of the employee. Now let's sort by salary here. Write down sort underscore by salary. Now similar way what we have written previously here, employees, then write order, then write employees, then we are targeting salary here. It is going to give us, put a comma here, it is going to sort by salary here. Now print sort underscore by salary. See, it is going to give us the name of the employees first whose salary is least. You can easily see that the Alice is having 55,000 salary, then after the 66,000, then 77,000, then after that 88,000 salary is there. Now if you would like to sort the salary by descending order or by decreasing order, what we have to do? Let's try it out again. Let's write down sort by salary decreasing. Write down employees here. Now we have to write order here. After that we have to write the minus symbol here, so that it will understand that we want the result in a descending order. Now write employees dollar salary here, put a comma here. Now use Ctrl plus Enter here. Now print sort by salary decreasing here. Now use Ctrl plus Enter. Now we can see the first salary it is showing, or the name of the person it is showing whose salary is maximum here, and it is showing us the data frame in the decreasing order of the salary of the employees here. Now let's understand how we can import a CSV file in our R Studio and read the data. For that, let's say we can give a name like sales underscore data, as I am having a file in the working directory in which R Studio is there. If you don't know about your working directory, then what you have to do, you can simply type in the console section, that is get wd here, that means get working directory here, use enter here. Now it is showing that your working directory is C user slash PC slash documents. So you have to check your path here. It may be something different, and the file should be at the same place. That means my file is in the document section here. So your file, whatever will be here, let us say your file may be in the download section or maybe in the D drive or something like that. You have to save your CSV file there. It can pull that CSV file here. Now let's understand how we can read that particular CSV file in that particular working directory here. Use the assignment operator here. Now you have to use read.csv here. After that you have to write this way, that means the name of that particular CSV file. So mine CSV file is by the name of sales underscore data dot. You have to give the extension as well here. Now my file name is sales underscore data, which is in CSV format. Now I have to use Ctrl plus Enter here. Now I can simply print sales underscore data. Now we can easily see that it is showing me the data in that particular CSV file, that is the employee's name, then the month name, and the sales happened by that particular employee in that particular month here. Now let's understand how we can export a CSV file or export our data frame into a CSV file. We have to simply write .csv here. Now we have to give the name of our data frame, which we already have by the name of employees here. We can save this data frame by the same name, or we can give an updated name. Now write in this manner. Let us say we are giving updated underscore employees here .csv. After that we can write raw.names equals to false here. Raw.names equal to false will ensure here that only the data which is having in the data frame will be written in our CSV file, so that no extra names will be given to the rows. Now let's use Ctrl plus Enter here. Now we can read our CSV file which we have just created here. Read.csv. Now write the name of our new file, which is updated underscore employees.csv. Now you press Ctrl plus Enter here. Now we can see that it is showing the particular CSV file which we have just created by the name of updated underscore employees here. I think most of the concept related to the data frame has been clear now. I am going to provide you some exercise in the comment section so that it will enhance your R programming skills, so you can do that particular exercises. It will be very helpful to you. In this video we have covered what a data frame is, creating and exploring the data frames, modifying, filtering and sorting the data, and at last we have discussed how to read and write a CSV file. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more R programming tutorials, comment below for your suggestions or any questions related to this. I will try to help you out. We are going to meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye. God bless you always.